We were hopeful to be with JGR again, and that was kind of the plan. And unfortunately, Jeremy called me and kind of broke the news, and JGR took the decision to fall beginning of November. It didn't really hit me until it happened. It's actually been kind of a scramble in the sense we started calling the people that we know and ask for favors and help, and yeah, here we are. Going from the phone call with Jeremy saying that they're done racing, I pretty much went and got a bike like 2 days later maybe. I don't do everything on my own. I have a lot of great help from my wife Amy, and there's so many people that have helped to put this puzzle together. We're close to the new year. I'm just excited to go racing, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to go race in 2021.
4, 3, 2, 1.
So, factory Kawasaki and Showa are going to help out to do suspension and some chassis stuff. So that's really all we're waiting for right now. It's on delivery, on track for delivery, so it should be here anytime, I think. Yeah, once we get that stuff, we will throw it on the bike and head to Club MX to test it out on the Supercross track. Alright, better be late than never though. Oh, yay! She doesn't look very excited though. So excited. You excited, buddy? I am. Oh, yeah. There we go. Some Showa suspension. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, we're still kind of bummed that he do not remember me from way back when, and then he's giving me some trash because I'll never come up here and talk to him.
Yeah, because maybe
he never talked to me for like 10 years. And
maybe even as a kid you fall away from.
Probably did actually. It's super common in like Europe. Everyone races each other. Like there'll be French people, Italian people going to Germany, and vice versa. And I've done one GP, and that was the Swedish one, back home, and then I did WW in America. But I'd love to actually go race some GPs because it would be fun. Because I've never done it. We should just go ride.
Yes,
Rainy Moore.
Yeah.
What's it looking like?
Like German winter. No.
Maybe I'll just go out there. Oh no, it's raining bad now. Shoot. Dang. Should have started earlier.
Outside Supercross.
Alright, let's just go ride. Let's practice some lunch.
You want an honest man, but you don't understand. I won't be here when you wake up again. You want an honest man, but you don't understand. I won't be here when you wake up again. You want an honest man, but you don't understand. I won't be here when you wake up again. You want an honest man, but you don't understand. I won't be here when you wake up again.
And that beat is sweet. Yeah.
Good job, man. Good job. That was fun. We can't be too
I guess, like safe in a way, because then it makes it even worse.
Yeah.
But you can't be too aggressive, because then it goes like crazy.
The difference, you could see you and Nick were on the aggressive side. And, that was good. That was good. That was kind of wild. This is just...
Yeah, dog. Yeah, Chad. Yeah, we're on our way home from club, and we're gonna pick up some new graphics at Armored Graphics. So it's super sick because UFO sends the plastics straight here, and he puts the graphics on. So I'm happy about that. My thumbs are not rubbed, whatever. They're not messed up, so we're good. What's up?
How are you?
Good. How are you?
All right.
We just missed Freddie here putting on stickers on my mini plates. Hey, it's not every day that Chad Reed works for you for free. For free, right?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna expect like a invoice coming my way, right?
I got a bunch of extra little stickers too.
Look at that. Look at it. They're tiny. It's awesome. What? Look at this.
No, I did that because.
Come on, Paul. Look at this. Do you see how many people would like?
You can't even read Freddie Norn. You can't even see the flag. Like it's just too pixelated.
Too
Did we go for
pixelated.
perfection, yeah.
Chad Reed stole one of my stickers, man. Chad, I guess you didn't do them for free, so. I'm kind of a pro at this. This is kind of my hidden talent of mine. So if I'm taking appointments, you know, it's kind of like doing my twin air filters. But I did make Amy cry once, so take that in consideration when you make your appointment. Actually, when that happened, I told myself I will never ever do this again. Like, no matter what it costs, just go somewhere. Here we are.
This is what we do before A1 every year to practice calming Freddie's nerves in nervous situations.
This is worse than going racing.
Good, as long as it gets everywhere on the hair, like always, and there's no missing spots.
Well, that's the hard thing. There's a lot of hair, you know?
You do.
I did actually go to school to be a furniture builder.
Where at?
Not IKEA.
That would have been way cooler.
That would have been cooler. I did go to furniture school in Sweden growing up. Well, it's through high school, and you pick a subject you want to like do, in a sense, like if you want to be electrician or whatever.
The furniture building. That's
Come on.
That's where the money's at.
Yeah, so I picked to build furniture. It would give me a really good schedule in class, so I could go ride my dirt bike and see where that brought me to America. Oh boy, yeah, I'm gonna have to get into some scrubbing and.
Oh no.
I have no dye left. Okay, how do you do this now again? You do like this,
Twist
and
it
then
up.
do you twist it as you go up?
There we
Like
go.
twist the whole thing?
Good. Go circle.
Circle. The whole way? Do I twist like all the way? It's like doing grips now. So first we're doing some air filters.
Okay,
And you cut
my
it
hair's
off.
gonna fall out.
Yeah, that's just like doing the grips. You'll twist it and then you cut it off. There we go.
Okay.
We'll see how that goes.
Now we wait.
See that? It says lead shaping. You see that? It's kind of like more like 9 o'clock. You see that right there? It's Sweden. It's like home.